Good morning, student. Today I am going to solve exercise 10.2, question number 8, A part. In the given figure, find the value of x, y and z. Figure given. So one by one calculate x, y and z. X is equal to 80 degree vertically opposite angle. So write x is equal to 80 degree vertically opposite angle. Opposite angle. Now 2y plus 110 is equal to 180 degree. 2y plus 110 is equal to 180 degree by exterior angle property. Exterior angle plus adjacent interior angle is equal to 180 degree. So 2y equal to 180 minus 110. 2y is equal to 70 degree or y is equal to 70 by 2 or 35 degree. Now z. So x plus 2y plus 3z. Sum of angle sum property x plus 2y plus 3z. So x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property x is 80 degree, 2y 70 degree plus 3z is equal to 180 degree. 80 plus 70 150. So 3z equal to 180 minus 150 degree or 3z equal to 30 degree. Z equal to 30 degree divided by 3. Z is equal to 10 degree. So x is equal to 80 degree, y equal to 35 degree and z equal to 10 degree. Next, B part. In the figure given, find PTQ. Here figure given P, Q, R, S, T, U and Q. 60 degree, 90, 90, 90, 90 given. So find PTQ. Where PTQ? P, T, Q. This one, PTQ. So by angle sum property in triangle PTQ. इस ट्राइंगल में एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी लगाओ. सो 90 डिग्री प्लस 20 डिग्री प्लस PTQ. एंगल PTQ प्लस 90 डिग्री प्लस 20 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री बाय एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी. सो एंगल PTQ प्लस 110 इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री और एंगल PTQ इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री माइनस 110 डिग्री और PTQ is equal to 70 degree. Now second part is QTU. QTU. This one. So just अभी हमने PTQ फाइंड किया है. PTQ. Here PTQ is 70 degree. So 35 degree plus 70 degree plus QTU. 35 degree plus 70 degree plus QTU is equal to 180 degree. इसका तीनों एंगल का सम होगा. सम ऑफ दिस थ्री एंगल 180 डिग्री. सो 70 प्लस 35 105. सो QTU is equal to 180 minus 105. So angle QTU is equal to 75 degree. Next, third part is SUT. See here, SUT. S, U and T means this one angle. So again by angle sum property 90 degree plus 35 degree plus SUT. SUT plus 90 degree plus 35 degree is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property. So angle SUT 90 plus 35 125 is equal to 180 degree, or angle SUT is equal to 180 minus 125 degree. So 180 minus 25 is 55 degree. Next, RUQ. RUQ. Linear pair means just find this one is 55. 55 plus 60 plus RUQ is 180 degree. Three angles in a line. So RUQ plus 60 degree plus 55 degree is equal to 180 degree. So angle RUQ plus 60 plus 55 115 is equal to 180 degree. So RUQ is equal to 180 minus 115. 115 is 65. 180 minus 115, 65. Next is RQU. See here, RQU. RQU. This one. Again, angle sum property. Just you calculate this angle 65. So 65 plus 90 plus this angle. Sum of these three angle 180 degree. So angle RQU plus 90 degree plus 65 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angle RQU 90 plus 65 155 is equal to 180, or RQU is equal to 180 minus 155 degree. 180 minus 55, RQU is 25 degree. Last part. So in UQT, this angle 20 degree plus UQT plus RQU. Sum of this three angle 90 degree. So angle UQT plus 20 degree plus 25 degree is equal to 90 degree. So UQT plus 25 plus 20, 45 is equal to 90 degree, and angle UQT is equal to 90 degree minus 45 degree. So angle UQT is equal to 45 degree. Question number 9, A part. In the figure given below, AB parallel to DC, AB parallel to DC and BC parallel to AD. BC parallel to AD, then find angle DBC. DBC, because AD and BC parallel and BD is transversal, so this angle also 85 degree, alternate interior angle. So angle DBC is equal to 85, and reason alternate interior angle. Next, BDC, this one. So in BCD, angle sum property 50 degree plus 85 degree plus this angle. Sum of this three angle 180 degree. BDC plus 50 degree plus 85 degree is equal to 180 degree. So angle BDC 85 plus 50 135 degree is equal to 180 degree, और angle BDC is equal to 180 minus 135 degree 45 degree. Next DBA this angle. So angle DBA is equal to 45 degree. DBA 45 degree. Alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. Last one, angle A. Angle A is equal to 50 degree because opposite angle of this one is parallelogram, because one pair parallel and other pair also parallel sides. So parallelogram and opposite angle of parallelogram are equal. So angle A is equal to 50 degree. Opposite angle of parallelogram. Next part, try. Question number 10. One of the angle in a triangle measure 80 degree and other two angles are equal. One measurement of one angle 80 degree and other angles are equal. So let the other equal angles be x. So by angle sum property, x plus 80 degree is equal to 180 degree. 2x is equal to 180 minus 80 degree, or 2x is equal to 100 degree. X is equal to 100 divided by 2, or x is equal to 50 degree. 11th question. If one angle of a triangle is 60 degree and the other two angles are in the ratio 2:3, find this angle. So let the angles be 2x and 3x. By angle sum property, 60 degree plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 180 degree. 2x plus 3x 5x is equal to 180 minus 60 degree, or 5x is equal to 180 minus 60 120 degree. X is equal to 120 degree divided by 5, or x is equal to 24 degree. So 2x is equal to 2 into 24 degree 48 degree, and 3x 3 into 24 degree is 72 degree. 12th question. If the angles of the triangle are in the ratio 1:2:3, find the angles and classify. So let the angles be x, 2x and 3x. So by angle sum property, x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 180 degree. 6x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 degree divided by 6, or x is equal to 30 degree. So angles are x 30 degree, 2x 30 into 2 60 degree, and 3x 90 degree. And question is classify by two different way. So one angle is 30, 60 and 90 degree, one angle is 90 degree, that means right angle triangle, and all three sides are different, so scalene triangle. Classification: right angle triangle, right angle triangle, and second one is scalene triangle. Can a triangle have three angles whose measurement are? So sum of angles, calculate sum of angles. 65 degree plus 74 degree plus 39 degree. At these three angles, sum is 178 degree. So answer is no, because we know that sum of all angles of triangle is 180 degree, but here 178 degree, so triangle not possible. Second part, 1/3 right angle. 1/3 right angle means 1/3 into 90, so 30 degree. Second, one right angle 90 degree, and other last one is 60 degree. 30 degree, 90 degree and 60 degree. Sum of angles, calculate sum of angles 30 degree, 90 degree and 60 degree. So 90 plus 90, 180 degree. So yes, this triangle possible. Answer is yes. Thank you.